Welcome back, everyone. In this section of this instructional videos, we're going to be adding and working on our revision table. I think this will go relatively quick. We've already added a bill of materials table, and understand now that on the annotation tab of our drawing file, right, we can progress to the right and add a table and add an automatic revision table. So I click that, and on the left, I'm going to add one or two check marks for my options. So I'm going to uncheck Enable Symbol when adding a new revision. We touched on this in some discussions in class, but and how to not have it show up on the face of the drawing, but I'm simply going to turn it off as an option so I won't have to deal with it. And instead of clicking a location for this to exist, SOLIDWORKS assumes that the upper right-hand corner is the standard location. So just as if I were adding the first part to an assembly file, I'm not going to click a location. I'm just going to click the green check mark, and SOLIDWORKS puts my table into the standard location. I'm going to suggest that these row heights are higher than they need to be. And so let's see if I can change both row heights at the same time. So I selected a row and then pressed Shift and selected the next row. And now I right click under Formatting and Row Height. I'm going to choose a value of 0.25. Still enough room for my words and everything's clear, but I have a little more space up here. So now, to have this drawing be released and acceptable for a production environment, I need to add a revision and basically say that this drawing is okay for production. And to do that, I right-click somewhere on this table. Let's see if I can just even do a cell. Yeah, I can. So I just right-click on a cell, and there is this line here called Revisions, and I want to add a revision. I get an automatic revision, and because I unchecked the symbol option, I am automatically dropped into typing in this description box, and I will type released as the first revision. And then over here for approved, I'm going to double click into this cell and just put my initials in. Click out into the graphics screen, and I am ready to go. So that is all that we need to focus on for the revision table. I'll close this short chapter out. We'll continue working forward in the next chapter.